be making a delicious dish of Yucatan Chicken Tacos. For this recipe, you need 9 simple ingredients. You need 1.5 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon of chipotle peppers, 1.5 tablespoons of garlic salt. You need 2 cups of chicken breast, 2 cups of cabbage. You need 3/4 cups of red onion. You'll also need 8 tortillas. You'll need 1/4 cup of Panela cheese and 1 avocado.
In a medium bowl, mix together balsamic vinegar, chipotle pepper, and garlic salt. Add in chicken, cabbage, onion, and mix well. Spoon chicken filling into warm tortilla. Top off taco with cheese and avocado. Enjoy!